And then the first element is the element earth. So imagine as you're lying down on the earth that the earth just kind of welcomes you. And the earth element in your body is from the soles of your feet to your knees. And so in your imagination, become the earth. Your body becomes the earth. And just imagine the different parts of the earth. The rivers are your veins and arteries. The trees are your hair. The rocks and stones are your teeth and your fingernails. And your skin is the soft earth. Now imagine your whole body as the earth with its sweet meadows, caves, oceans, lakes, your whole body. And the earth stands for stability and security. So feel the stability of your body, the security of the form. And now take a breath, and the next element is water, and that's from your knees to your belly button. So that's the fluid that's flowing in your body. Think about your whole body and all the different fluid which is changing. Everything that flows, your saliva, your breath, everything that flows in your body. And imagine that the boundaries of your body soften now, and they become soft like water, just flowing. And think of everything that flows. Again, your thoughts, and you can draw them back with a leash of mindfulness, but they flow again. So now take a breath. And the next element is fire. So from your navel to your heart is fire. So now think of the transformation that fire does. The fire of digestion, the spiritual fire inside. Dealing with transforming all of the different elements. This transforms with the spiritual longing in the fire of the heart. And now if you would take another breath, and the next element is air. So see for a moment that you went from the earth, the solid form, to the water, the liquid, now the fire which transforms, and now air, no form. Feel the air around you. Feel the air inside you. Feel the air of each breath. And notice how your whole form gets more subtle. No definite. In fact, become as light as a cloud. Just as light as a cloud, and start to drift. Flowing, like gently pushed with a breeze, warmed by the sun, just element air. And now as you're just floating, the next element is space. So go into the space between the breaths, the space between the cells, the space inside you is the same as the intergalactic whole space. We're really 99.99% space. So dissolve in space, where the formless meets the form. Where the transcendental self creates, where you and everything else are one, where you create your reality. Now dissolve into the unlimited